Officer, Cadet Captain Marcel M. Digan, 2nd Class, Battalion Operations and Training Officer, Cadet Captain Jeffrey R. Limbo, 2nd Class, Battalion Logistics, and Cadet Captain John Peter Z. Intela.
Followed by the Aklan State University Banga Campus, Draman Corps under the command of Cadet Captain D.L.N. Patricio, 2nd Class, Band Officer and under the baton of Miss B.O. Ibisati.
Following the Drum and Fire Corps, sa Alpha Company Commander and Staff, Luke Suzuki of John P. Followed by the Bravo Company Commander and the command of the Health Personnel, W.G. Andres, 3rd Class, Health Personnel, Kevin P. Pilipinas, 3rd Class, Executive Officer.
3rd Division Bravo under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Nobby R. Urumuto, 3rd Class, 2nd Platoon under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Lorraine T. Fernandez, 3rd Class.
The audience is requested to stand for the color with the Cadet President Zyron Zard F. Delgado, 3rd Class, Color Officer. Following the color is the Charlie Company Commander and Staff under the command of Cadet President Chester Z. Zaban, 3rd Class, Cadet President John Jomar D. Veloso, 3rd Class, Executive Officer. First Platoon Charlie Company under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Will J. G. Sabay, 3rd Class, 2nd Platoon under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Mary Hart A. Prescott, 3rd Class.
Followed by Delta Company Commander and Staff under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant John R.D. Opinos, 3rd Class, and Cadet First Lieutenant John Martin M. Omeres, 3rd Class, Executive Officer.
First Platoon Delta under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Chris J. Denise R. Mahabagi, 3rd Class. 2nd Platoon under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant May R. Robles, 3rd Class. After 90 long years of the implementation of military programs in this country, since 1976, the ROTC program was institution, 23 years of being a component of the National Service Training Program.